Hey guys, just want to do a quick video update on this St. Joseph statue. Put it right there on the tripod so you can get a good look at him. Yes, you're probably wondering what happened with the property. Sold. Sold quick. Got listed. 10 days later, we had a cash buyer make an offer. And the offer was $2,000 off the asking price. And came back, met that number halfway, and he accepted. And the closing was literally 30 days later. So everything went picture perfect. I don't know if it's coincidence. I don't know what the case is, but I followed the rules. You can see there's still a little bit of dirt on him. I undug him afterward, and I said, I'm taking this guy with me. I just wrote the address number on there because I had planted another one in my business, which sold as well. And I'm telling you, the buyer for my business came out of nowhere. I didn't use a business broker. For those of you that have a business, you know how hard it is to sell a business. I literally ran into the person. It was my friend, a friend of my wife's. And I had a quick chat. We talked about it for a few months. And he ended up wanting to buy the office as well. So we sold the office, we sold the business. Unfortunately, the statue is still at the business and we relocated. We live in another state. I know exactly where it is. And the next time we go out there to visit, I will dig it up and take it. Okay, so guys, I don't know. I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. I don't know if this is like a superstitious thing. I don't know, but I'll be honest. I believed, like the prayer said. I said the prayer, and I stuck through it. And the only reason I did that is my sister's suggestion. She kept saying, believe, pray, because she used it. And I love my sister, so I said, I'm really going to give it a shot and try it. And I did, and 2 home runs on the sales. So guys, I am going to keep this with me all the time. We're moving into a new house very shortly. We're staying somewhere temporarily now in an apartment. Once we move into the house, I'm going to take this and put it somewhere special and keep it. Okay? And guys, I encourage you to just try this. All right? I left a link in the description where you could find it. And give it a shot. It's like $7 or $6. What's the big deal? Blow that $6. Try it. But then when you try it and you read the prayer, read it from your heart. And I'm going to tell you the truth. The prayer is a good prayer. It is a beautiful prayer. Okay? It's about hard work. Okay? Just take the prayer, hold it in your heart, and really believe in it, and you'll be doing yourself a favor anyways. I know I'm shaking this, and it looks like he's talking to you, right? Guys, pick me up. Give me a shot. That's all I have to say.